Hey my lovelies, my dons, welcome back to another YouTube video. Yeah guys, so guys, I'm not really feeling well. I'm kind of having some cramps. But guys, I'm just going to do a little straightening up to my room, and I decided that I'm gonna vlog it for y'all. Yeah. So we are learning to straighten up the house together, guys. We're actually learning how to
How you say it so poppin' shit. You would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga five tested. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back for that. Come at me about nigga too. I don't even find a track. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up to me, but all they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend. Both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand down. He thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Slam with my gang and them. Look at them like sisters. These bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them. They don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of them. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Caught everybody up, they been feeling like the lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of them. She the type that nigga make her mad, she going to some. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be some. I can't love you back and like your bitch do, so don't leave her. You gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. They fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Riding with my twin on, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my aunt, but I don't know her. I had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can't help it, bitch, I'm hood as fuck. I've been on these bitches' neck so long, sometimes my foot is stuck. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got kids open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's what my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She brought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who said that you can't hold? That nigga I'm munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass sweet, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I fight for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Who this if not this I do? I'm the.
get drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, be trying to see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my neck and cross her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pregnant. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Bitches set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Bitches set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Put a ribbon on me, I've been acting brand new. I ain't smoking on no silo, bitch, I'm smoking on you. Put your bestie in a pack and now I'm smoking her too. I've been born and sold them hoe, could've went to LSU. Got so many chains on, I can't even see my throat. These hoes don't do enough, that's why I always do the most. Broke niggas give the dick, rich niggas get the goals. Only thing a nigga get for me for free is free to bros. Let me pop it off, bring me to the biggest love, baby girl, come top it off. She said she don't like me cause she love me, duh, knock it off. That bitch made some pages just to sell me, but I blocked it off. All these hoes is mid, lurking on my page before she feed her kids. Shitting on these bitches, dunking on their heads. Get these hoes some melatonin, put their ass to bed. Nigga cry for what? Bitch, these are denim tears. I'm sexy dancing in the house, I feel like Britney Spears. So put it on the floor, just like their career. What they got on me, bodies in a couple years.
I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Bitches set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Yeah, it's giving cold. I'm in a booth playing with my pussy, bitch.
Big lotto, big party. It's a real bitch party. Put it on the floor again, bitch.
The Mozzie way.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Give me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Oh, you done? 100 million, I don't know no other man. You fuck like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like I'm Greco. You know how a nigga call Petro. Suckin' nigga should've knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just lay in it. Spin all day in it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. Be loud. I'm okay with it. Yeah, they come to me, they'll pay. You want a 10-piece, make it all flex. He just want a phone call or a text back. Never got touched, but a bitch stay smashed. Why would I DM a nigga first when I'm the catch? 100 bands, fuck is 100 bands. You fuck like 100 niggas that got one man. You fuck like 100 niggas that got one hit. Whole lot of motherfuckers speaking on me that ain't done shit. Drop the 100 on a penny, that shit big as Lola. They can't stand to see me winning, so they blame payola. Big stoner, big choker, no mediocre. I ain't never doing coke, I barely do the coke. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just lay in it. Spin all day in it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it. I'm on demon time, taking niggas souls. He in my DM say I'm pretty, bitch, I know. Hoes really messy, I'm a rich nigga gold. He tell me ride a tree in space like a rose. Get somebody else to do it. Posted in New York, at Bottega like I'm doing. I taught you how to get them for the check. What we doing? I ain't got 100 mil, but I got it once I flew in. If that dick don't come with money, I can't lay with it. He call me baby, so it's 200 to K with it. Carisha single and Sadiddy, he okay with it.
No shade with it, no shade with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just lay in it. Spend all day in it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
The Mozzie way.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. One subscription, 2 apps.
Run back to me because you're born the nigga. Fuck is a layover. I get the bag and I change destination. I'm a dog too, I don't want shame. About 20 missed calls, he faded.
He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. About 20 missed calls, he faded. White boy wasted, chin table. He don't wanna be kept, don't keep. He don't want the paper, then bitch, don't keep.
Ho.
I don't be left, I'm really girl shit. Like Justin Bieber. B-A-D-D-E-S-T. Same whole set, used to wanna be besties. You can get your weight turned like Effie. I don't need insurance cause a bitch can't break me. Ready. Well, now I'm coming like Freddie, I'm mother. Hanging on my truck is your daddy. Drop that T. Bitch, catch it. You look like a discount man on X. I'm the female type. Stepping on bitches, I'm showing my titties. I tore up the city. P.I.M.P. I be blowing these niggas. You run back to me cause you born the nigga. Fuck is a layover. I ain't well. I get the bag and I change destination. These niggas be crazy. I don't blame him. I'm a dog too, I don't wanna change him. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. About 20 missed calls, he faded. White boy wasted, chin table. I don't wanna be saved, don't save him. If everybody nigga don't claim me. Hate a nigga tryna tell me what to do. I'm petty, I'm not your baby. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. About 20 missed calls, he faded. White boy wasted, chin table. He don't wanna be kept, don't keep. He don't want the paper, then bitch, don't keep. I don't be left, I'm leaving. Hoes look me like Justin Bieber. Go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me. Get him blow, 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 get him blow.
Welcome to the Pepsi Football Nation.
Bitch, heard from me, it's what you know about me. Big G-L-O-N-G-L-E. 50,000 new Chanel shoppers free, and every time I pop out, you know I ain't T-E. I'm that bitch hoe, get like me. No, it's Y-W-R, big C-M-G. White now, small niggas, tall niggas, long back, no small bitches. Big bitches, all pretty, and with y'all learn. Pretty short, cause my paper long.
It's a Friday night, my nigga ain't at home.
I pull my bitch shots, cause now I'm drinking long. I'm outside again, cause bitch, I hate it home. You give it her, baby, hey, T, her, baby, hey, T, you give it her, baby, hey, T, her, baby, hey, T. S-E-S-Y-Y-R-E-Z, play with me, I put a call on your seat. I'm with my people, man, we coming 50 deep. You ain't know I was a hitter, cause I'm always looking fleek. Cash out, new bar, AMG, outside, but we come with some bloody red sea. I like that you bitches twerking to the beat. If you really song, flash, shake that ass for blowing me. I'm wearing booty shorts, cause my paper long.
It's a Friday night, my nigga ain't home.
I pull my bitch shots, cause now I'm drinking long. I'm outside again, cause bitch, I hate it home. You give it her, baby, hey, T, her, baby, hey, T, you give it her, baby, hey, T, her, baby, hey, T.
Why that damn spray so cold? It's cold in this one.
Coochie driving crazy, deep sick, he a dog for the pussy, and you know I got the trick. Private bitch through the club, book a beat, bitch play with game and night, her face going on the tip. Bad bitch, you know I'm thick as coke, chuck, you won't never catch me slip. Ain't no
Fucking Cinderella.
bitch, no, and the bitch stiff, Bobby nigga false, do my dance on your bitches since they watch, or a carry short, cause my
How are this in your phone? Deals. You know, I want to put out that in your phone. I will send you that. Just like a disrespecting Karen. You see, kind of dark people. What you take out his phone? You're being a disgusting.
Bag of things.
And just take out the phone. Actually, even you were looking at it. You actually were looking at the phone. You don't want the phone in the bathroom, but you want the phone in the bathroom for you. What? Right now, we're only close to me was the around so
Watch my other wife in the water.
you want it, back is because that's all you want to reach out about this. Now that end if you start. If you know that you're going to end. That's what you got. If you want to get down, eat that and half of it. And you are easier. You know Miss Matthews. You know Miss Matthews. get rosy. You see what you want. You see what you want. Me no see, me never put it in there. Me never screenshot it. Me never send it from me. Yo. Where you are? Where? Y'all we don't know what like that. Eh?
Yes, perfecto.
It was
Perfecto. Clean and nice. Yeah.
Girl, we smartphone can't make you walk in the day. Like that. You know, can you have what you think? You need to talk to your phone and stop the banner and be a woman. A woman of God. If somebody say to you, delete that out of your phone. You want to know your right creams up on the front part of your face and into your plastic seat. Jerry, you know, message coming around there, I come in on picture, I get the picture, I just want to get it right back. Coming around there, get back, and they're coming, come on. You know, they're coming.
Yeah. We gonna be? Yeah.